mom challenged me to make a macaroni pie for under $10. I picked up ground turkey, some macaroni noodles, some frozen vegetables, chicken broth, ricotta cheese, Italian cheese, an onion, and a garlic clove, costing a grand total of
$9.81.
I started by chopping my onion into fourths, and then I let the food processor do the rest. I boiled a pot of water and started on my turkey. I added a teaspoon of minced garlic and chopped it all together. I added in half of my diced onions and mixed well. Then I dusted my turkey with some flour to help the sauce thicken up. After that, I added in 2 cups of chicken broth. Then I cooked the rest of my chicken broth with some onions and poured it into a mixing bowl. My favorite part, I used an immersion blender to make a puree, and then I added a cup and a half of ricotta cheese and pureed it some more. After I drained and rinsed my noodles, I added in some Italian cheese. I added my ricotta puree, and I mixed it some more to make my macaroni and cheese. In a 13 by 9 inch baking dish, I layered the ground turkey, some vegetables, and my mac and cheese. And then I put it in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And it was so good.